Value investing is more than just a strategy. It's a philosophy, a disciplined approach to building wealth in the stock market by seeking out stocks trading below their true worth. For decades, legendary investors such as Warren Buffett have championed value investing, crediting much of their success to the timeless wisdom found in a handful of classic books. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or looking to refine your expertise, these 5 essential books offer a roadmap to mastering the art of value investing. Their lessons endure through every market cycle, offering guidance on how to think, act, and succeed as an investor. Let's dive into these classics and uncover the powerful ideas that have shaped generations of successful investors. The first book on our list is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Often referred to as the Bible of value investing, this book has profoundly influenced investors for more than 70 years. Graham emphasizes the importance of a disciplined, rational approach to investing, one that prioritizes long-term results over short-term speculation. He introduces readers to the concept of Mr. Market, a metaphorical figure whose daily mood swings create opportunities for the patient, level-headed investor. Rather than being swayed by market euphoria or panic, Graham urges readers to focus on the underlying value of a company. He distinguishes between investing and speculating, arguing that a true investor makes decisions based on careful analysis and a margin of safety, the buffer between a stock's market price and its intrinsic value. Warren Buffett himself credits much of his success to the principles he learned from Graham, calling The Intelligent Investor the best book on investing ever written. At its core, the book teaches readers how to protect themselves from substantial errors and how to develop long-term strategies that withstand the ever-changing tides of the stock market. It's a must-read for anyone seeking to build wealth patiently and wisely. Next, we turn to another classic by Benjamin Graham, co-authored with David Dodd, Security Analysis. While The Intelligent Investor lays out the broad principles of value investing, Security Analysis dives deep into the practical techniques needed to evaluate stocks and bonds. This book is a comprehensive guide to understanding financial statements, assessing business quality, and estimating a company's intrinsic value. Graham and Dodd teach readers how to dissect income statements and balance sheets, identify red flags, and spot hidden value in overlooked companies. The book's rigorous, methodical approach has shaped the thinking of countless professional investors and analysts. It's not only about numbers, it's about developing a skeptical, inquisitive mindset, learning to question assumptions and avoid the traps of market hype. While Security Analysis can be dense at times, its lessons are invaluable for those serious about understanding the mechanics of value investing. By mastering the skills outlined in this book, investors gain the tools to make informed decisions, reduce risk, and uncover opportunities that others might miss. Our third essential read is Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. While Graham's work focuses primarily on quantitative analysis, Fisher introduces the power of qualitative research, understanding the intangible factors that drive a company's long-term success. Fisher's most famous contribution is the scuttlebutt approach, gathering insights from customers, suppliers, competitors, and employees to get a complete picture of a business. He encourages investors to look beyond the numbers and assess the quality of management, the strength of a company's research and development, and its ability to adapt in a changing world. Fisher's legendary 15 points to look for in a common stock remains a checklist for investors seeking to identify outstanding businesses with sustainable competitive advantages. His approach complements Graham's by emphasizing that great investments can be found not just in undervalued stocks, but in companies with exceptional growth prospects and strong leadership. This blend of quantitative rigor and qualitative insight is at the heart of Warren Buffett's investing style, and it remains a crucial skill for value investors today. The fourth book on our list is You Can Be a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. Don't let the playful title fool you. This book is packed with advanced strategies that reveal how to find hidden opportunities in the market. Greenblatt focuses on special situations, spin-offs, mergers, restructurings, and other corporate events that often create temporary mispricings. These situations are frequently overlooked by mainstream investors, but Greenblatt shows how careful research and a contrarian mindset can uncover significant value. The book is written in a conversational, approachable style, making complex ideas accessible to readers of all backgrounds. Greenblatt shares real-world case studies and practical advice on how to spot and analyze these opportunities. He emphasizes the importance of doing your own homework, thinking independently, and being willing to go where others aren't looking. For investors ready to move beyond the basics, You Can Be a Stock Market Genius offers a treasure trove of insights on how to turn market inefficiencies to your advantage. Rounding out our top 5 is another classic by Joel Greenblatt, The Little Book That Beats the Market. In this book, Greenblatt distills his years of investing experience into a simple, rule-based approach he calls the magic formula. This formula ranks companies based on 2 criteria: return on capital and earnings yield. By systematically buying the top-ranked stocks, Greenblatt demonstrates how individual investors can achieve market-beating returns without the need for complex analysis or constant trading. The book's strength lies in its simplicity, making it perfect for beginners and experienced investors alike. Greenblatt explains not just how the formula works, but why it works, drawing on behavioral finance to show how emotions and biases often lead investors astray. He reminds readers that patience and discipline are key. The magic formula may underperform in the short run, but over time, it has delivered impressive results. The Little Book That Beats the Market is a powerful reminder that successful investing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, the best results come from sticking to a straightforward, time-tested strategy. Taken together, these 5 books offer a comprehensive education in value investing. They teach you how to think like an investor, focusing on intrinsic value, long-term potential, and the importance of independent research. You'll learn how to analyze financial statements, understand the qualitative drivers of business success, and spot special situations that others might overlook. Most importantly, they reinforce the timeless virtues of patience, discipline, and rationality. Qualities that matter more than ever in a world awash with hype and speculation. The lessons from these classics go beyond just picking stocks. They shape your mindset, helping you build the habits and attitudes necessary for long-term financial success. Value investing isn't about chasing the latest trend or trying to time the market. It's about developing a framework for making sound decisions, even when others are panicking or celebrating. It's about protecting your capital, minimizing risk, and letting the power of compound interest work in your favor. By studying these books, you join a tradition of investors who have achieved remarkable results by thinking differently from the crowd. Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and countless others have used these principles to build lasting wealth. Their success isn't a matter of luck. It's the result of consistent application of the ideas found in these pages. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn the basics or a seasoned investor looking for deeper insights, these books are the foundation of a lifelong investing education. They'll teach you how to evaluate opportunities, manage risk, and build a portfolio that can weather any storm. In a market that's always changing, the wisdom contained in these classics remains as relevant as ever. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, start by reading these 5 essential books. Take your time with each one, reflect on their lessons, and put their strategies into practice. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint, and with the right knowledge and mindset, you can achieve your goals and build wealth that lasts a lifetime. Happy reading and happy investing!